I think the three uniques for MaxHaven, the three things that we really do differently in the market is how we set up our medication pricing by introducing NADAC pricing. NADAC represents the pharmacy's purchase price from their wholesalers. And so under our model, we show the hospice that number, and the best thing about that number is commercially available to the public. So all the hospices that we work with can look up what their medication pricing is going to be before they get our invoice. So it allows them to double check our work and introduces actual transparency into our pricing model. Number two is how we set up our hospice contracts. Our approach is we have a base package, which is everything that the hospice needs to be compliant from a regulatory perspective, but it doesn't have any of the bells and whistles. And then the hospice gets to choose which of the technology options that they add to their program. And so number one, that ensures that they're actually going to use what they're choosing. But number two, it really empowers the hospice to pick and choose what they're paying for, and then by extension, what technology options they want to utilize. And then number three would be the pharmacies that we work with. Specifically, we work with a high-performing local independent pharmacy network. The pharmacy is just closer in proximity. So that's going to decrease our medication delivery times, and that's going to allow us to get these medications to these hospice patients faster and more efficiently. These local pharmacies are also inherently more integrated into the community. There's a real high likelihood that this pharmacy already has an established relationship, not only with the patient, but also the hospice staff. That means that because they know each other, they're inherently going to communicate more efficiently. I think all of that is a tremendous value add that we want to encourage and support. We don't want to shut that down and go with a pharmacy provider that's not in the community, because we lose all of those advantages.